there's a yacht coming.
There's a what coming?
A yacht coming.
Oh my.
I want to go visit it.
This a prank.
What?
This is a prank like you did to me when you sent that fake messenger to tell me that you died.
No.
Okay.
Just follow me. Okay, well, let's get going.
Probably at the
Probably at the lake, yeah.
About to say, where were you going? And the lake is this way.
Also, do you ever miss the time when we first met that year? Like, that was like 4 years ago.
Oh my god. I sometimes miss. Oh wait, going the wrong way. I sometimes miss it when we first met. No.
Okay, wait, what is it?
Look, it's a Minions poster for the new Minions movie.
Yeah, I can't wait to see that.
Same.
Okay,
Anyways,
where's the lake?
let's go. It's down this way.
What the heck? There's a car on fire. There's like a motorcycle on fire. I see the yacht.
Oh, I see it too.
Told you this wasn't a prank.
Is that person okay?
I don't know.
Oh,
Remember when we came here last year to relax or something? Oh wait, was that a few months ago?
I think it was like a few months ago.
Yeah, it had to be. I remember it actually. Yeah, it was this year. I remember it. And get off our skateboards.
Get on, there we go. Okay, I'm on.
Ah!
Oh no, you can't get
Ah! Okay, there we go. Also, if you're wondering where my necklace is, it's tucked under my shirt.
Oh my god!
We can put water on it and scream at it.
Marigold, that ain't gonna work.
It worked on iCarly.
It's not gonna work because it's a web show. But wait, how did it work on iCarly?
I don't know, but it worked on iCarly.com, so it might work here. Let's go grab some water.
You know what? I'll get a bucket of water. Okay, let's try this silly idea, I guess.
I hope this works like it did on iCarly.
Okay, how did that actually work?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna need a little nap.
Okay. Just look at our Instagram. We haven't posted on there in so long.
It's on fire!
Ah! Go! Go! Go, 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 go! Oh! Flower, come on!
I'm right here.
What the? Okay. We better call the fire department. Quickly!
Okay. Jesus Christ.
Okay, they're on their way. Flower, they're on their way.
Okay, I just called the firehouse.
I did.
We both did.
So I'm guessing they're knowing that we're both here. Okay. Wee-oo. They're on their way.
I think we should go because I think this was like a very expensive yacht. So I think we should go.
Yeah. Okay, guys, the fire's out. We shouldn't stay here. We better go.
Yeah, before the owner comes back.
Yeah. Well, wait. We just came here without intent. Or, like, whatever. That was so intense, though.
I know, but whatever.
We better get going before the owner finds out that we did that.
Yes. Oh my god, look, the owner's back.
Oh, crash. What happened to my kitchen?
Uh-oh. Run.
Oh my god. I can't get my hold on, I gotta get my skateboard. Go, 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 go. Whoa, we gotta get home quick.
I'm going.
We gotta get home quick. Uh-oh.
All over the news.
Oh my gosh. This is not where our houses are.
I know.
Okay. Why is this girl following us?
I don't know. It doesn't matter. Just keep going. We don't want to go to jail.
I know. Yeah, I wonder what Anthony is too.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. We just gotta hurry about getting home.
Yes. Hopefully they're not getting into anything.
Yeah, like they used to do when they were younger. Now I gotta
Yeah.
open. Now, wait, you know what? Let's just go to your house. I'm not willing to open my gate right now.
To the garage.
Get out of our skateboards.
Oh my god.
That was so close. Wait, wait, what the? Hold on, what is this? The Yacht burned down kitchen, and we're wondering who just did this. It's being investigated right now.
Oh no.
Oh no. We can't go to jail. It was only an accident.
Yes, so let's just hide in my house.
Wait, what the? We just discovered that 2 girls under the names of Flower and Marigold have done this. It was apparently an accident. So no one's gonna try and get them at all.
Hold on, I'm getting a phone call. Hello? That was your yacht. Okay, goodbye. Okay, so apparently that yacht was my dad's.
Is he out to get us?
He told me that he was.
Oh no! Hide! Oh my gosh, over here! Flower and Marigold, where are you two?
Oh no.
Where could you guys be? Because I'm gonna kill you two both.
He's still here. You know what? I'm gonna use my backup.
Okay, just be careful.
Hey, Dad. Sorry about this.
Flower, no, I wasn't actually gonna kill you. I was joking.
I need to bury his body. Flower, come here.
My name is Marigold Cooper.
I'm sorry, but still, come here.
I'm here.
We need to bury my dad's body. Get a shovel.
I saw that you killed him. Wait, how do you confuse me for your name?
I don't know, but still, get a freaking shovel.
Okay. Jeez, don't need to be so harsh.
Do you want the?
Okay, got a shovel.
Okay.
Now let's go bury your dad.
Okay, you go. I need a bag. Let me get a bag real quick.
Okay. How could you do this to Flower?
Knock him out. Okay, let me put him in this bag. Okay, come on. Let's go to the cemetery.
Wait, how can he fit in that small bag?
I don't know, and I don't. Well, I really do care. I'm actually concerned. How can he fit into this bag?
I don't know. Okay, let's get on our skateboards. Okay, my shovel's hit. My shovel's hidden somewhere.
Let's go.
Where'd you go? Okay, there you are.
Yeah, I buried my dad's body.
And hopefully no one sees that we're hiding some shovels and a bag.
Yes. I put my shovel inside the bag. You coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay. Okay, we're here.
Okay, I'm coming. You know, I'll just walk right now.
Okay, I got my shovel. What about you?
Yeah, here we go. Dump in.
Here we go.
Now just throw the bag.
Come on, let's dump the dirt in.
Okay. Oh no!
Marigold! That was a close one.
Okay, he's buried.
Okay, I'm gonna hide my shovel behind this tree here. There we go. Okay, now let's get out of here.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, Marigold!
that was close.
Yeah, anyways, let's go. Got my skateboard.
I got mine. Now let's
Okay,
get
let's
going. Before
let's go.
the police catch us.
Wait, I have an idea. How about we go to the police station and report my dad missing?
Yes! We seem like pranksters, but we're really not. We're just mad that your dad likes to do evil stuff.
Yeah, right here, police station.
We have something to tell you.
My dad is missing.
Yeah.
He's the one who owned the yacht.
We don't know where he is. You have to find him.
Please, find him.
Okay, we're gonna go now. Okay, we'll find him as soon as we possibly can.
Thank you.
Let's go. Okay, let's get going home.
Yeah. I'm coming.
Let's go.
I can't believe that actually worked.
I know. Shh, we gotta be quiet about it though.
Yep.
Tomorrow we'll just act like nothing ever happened.
Yep. Hopefully they close the case tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Flower. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh man, this was such a crazy day. What a crazy day.